So Google just announced that they will be adding AI image editing directly in Google Photos. So you will be able to edit photos just by asking it, by adding the prompt. So for example, remove the person from the image, remove the glare for the image or something like that. This is currently unavailable and it will be available very soon, coming first to Pixel 10 in the United States. And then you can simply describe the edits you want to make by text or voice in Photos editor. It'll be pretty cool, but I can actually show that already by using other Google tools, and just imagine that it is your Google Photos. It will work completely the same. So for example, here I am in the Google Vertex AI using Gemini 2.0 Flash Preview image generation. I uploaded this image here, and then I simply ask the AI change the colors of the vegetables to blue. Then it recognized everything in the image and then turned vegetables into blue, but also turned meat into blue. But it did work pretty good. Then, for example, I tried several other things. Here is their typical example. So here we have image of the croissants, and then add some chocolate drizzle to the croissant. And then it created perfect croissants with chocolate on it. It really looks pretty good. Yeah. So then I ask one other thing. For example, this is the image of my cat. Not a very quality and good image. But then I ask, can you make the cat gray? Sure. And this is what we've got. So here is my cat that is now gray, or not gray, white actually, but it is the same cat, it is the same background. It even didn't distort the font so much. So here is my record label from the Van Morrison, for example, and it just slightly distorted. So it works pretty good. So then we can ask and try several other things. So let me upload an image. So for example, let's try something very interesting. Here is the image of Sweeney. She's wearing blue jeans. Now let's make the jeans red. Let's see. Nice. So here we have blue jeans and now we have red jeans. And the whole commercial is completely different. Face is kind of different, but very much looking the same. Everything is there as it should be. Yeah. Working pretty good. So basically all of this will be enabled directly in your Google Photos. First, as mentioned, in Pixel, in US, and then in other places very soon, I think. So let's upload a couple of more things. So for example, here we have people on beach, 2 person on beach. Let's try remove the person on the left. Nice. So you see, here we have this person on the left, and here she is completely removed. Everything else is completely the same. Let's try make the sky purple. Yeah, it works pretty good. Basically, it's like Photoshop AI prompt on steroids. Yeah. So let me try also some other things. Here we have a person with a glare. So photo has a lot of glare and inequality on it. So remove the glare from photo. So let's see. This one, okay. Kind of removed some things. So the image, by my opinion, is better, but it didn't completely remove the glare. I mean, it's hard to do that. And then let's try once again the same image here. And now we'll do some other things. So let's change the color of the hair and also color of the jeans. Let's see what will Sydney do now. Yeah. So this is the first one. And now we have the black jeans. So yeah, it works pretty good. It can remove people, it can enhance photos, it can do everything that you are used to do in, I don't know, Photoshop. Everything like that will be available soon in Google Photos. And this is pretty good and pretty neat and convenient because many people have their images stored in Google Photos. They don't like the image after they photograph something, and then they can just remove and use AI to enhance images. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.